Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 5F of book D3 8th edition, and question number 1 is saying that find the equation of line L with the gradient 3 and passing through the point -2 and 8. Hence write down the possible equation of line that is perpendicular to L. We know that when two lines are perpendicular, so their gradient will be equal to m1 dot m2 is equal to -1. That mean अगर आपको m1 का gradient पता है तो आप उसका reciprocal लेकर उसको -1 से simply multiply कर देंगे. As we know, the gradient of equation, that is gradient is given, that is 3, and a point is given, that is, let us suppose this p is -2 and 8. So we have two methods. I will solve with both of the method. Y is equal to mx plus c. One method is this. From here y is equal to m is 3x plus c. Now hence the line is passing through the point, so I will put this point over here. 8 is equal to 3 into -2 plus c. So 8 is equal to -6 plus c. From here c is equal to 8 plus 6 14. So my general equation will become y is equal to mx, that is 3x plus 14. Now this is my line equation. Now they are saying that find possible equation and write down a possible equation of a line that is perpendicular to it. Now for this line the gradient is m, so that means the line that is perpendicular to it, its gradient will be equal to m2 is equal to its reciprocal is 1/3 with its negative sign. So my second equation, that is perpendicular to L, उसकी आपके पास इक्वेशन बन जाएगी y is equal to -1/3 x plus 14. This is the first method. Second method is that when you have a gradient and point is given, so I have a formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y1 is 8, y will remain as it is, y1 is 8, m is given, that is 3, x minus x1 is given, that is -2, so minus and minus will become +2. From here y is equal to 3x plus 6, open the bracket, this -8 will shift on the other side, so y is equal to 3x plus 14. This is your equation form, that is equation L, and they are saying that the equation that is perpendicular to line L, so its gradient will be equal to its that perpendicular gradient will be equal to -1/3. Rest of the process is same. Y is equal to -1/3 x plus 14. So both the methods are given from the in the starting exercise we have done with this method. Now the formula is given to us, this formula, so either you can use this method or this method, that is easy for you. Okay, moving towards part B. Find the equation of line with gradient -1/2. Now the gradient is given, that is -1/2, and equation of line passing through the points. That means m is given, that is -1/2, and a point is given, that is 7 and -3. So I am using this method. So y minus y1, minus and minus will become plus, is equal to -1/2 x minus x1. X is as it is and x1 is 7. So y is equal to -1/2 x, minus and minus will become plus 3/3.5, and this plus 3 will shift on the other hand and it will become -3. Y is equal to -1/2 x plus 0.5, 0.5 or 1/2 you can write it as. Now they are saying that possible line of equation that is parallel to it. When lines are parallel, so gradient will be same. When gradient are same, so that mean आपके पास जो line of equation है that will also be the same one. Y is equal to -1/2 x plus 1/2 or 0.5. It's your choice. Okay, moving towards the next question, that is question number 2. Okay, in question number 2 it is given that equation of line passing through these points. हमने equation of line find out करनी है जो इन lines में से pass कर रही है. So question number 2 part A is given, 2 points are given, 2 minus 1, and point B is given, that is 5 and 5. When 2 points are given, we have a gradient formula. That is, gradient formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Remember that first is always x1 y1, second is x2 y2. Putting the values, y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 1, so minus minus will become plus. X2 is 5 and this is 2, so 6 by 3, this is equal to 2. This is our gradient m. Okay, next one is, obviously you have to find the line of equation, so I am using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is your first point. Okay, so y minus y1 plus 1, this is equal to m, that is 2, x minus x1, that is 2. So from here y is equal to 2x minus 2 2s are 4, and this minus 1, this one will shift on the other side, so it will become y is equal to 2x minus 5. Okay, moving towards the next part, that is part B. And in part B, the points are given, that is C 1 and minus 4, and point D is given, that is 0 and 6. So from here, again first of all I will find the gradient y2 minus y1. So plus 4 divided by x2 is 0 minus 1. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So from here 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by minus 1. Obviously this is minus 10. Now the equation of line will be equal to y minus y1. So plus 4 is equal to m into x. M is minus 10. X minus x1 is 1. So y is equal to minus 10 x plus 10. This minus 4 will shift on the other side and will become minus 4. Y is equal to minus 10 x plus 6. Okay, ji. Part C is given, and part C is saying that, part C, let's see, E is given, that is 7 and 3, and F is given, that is minus 3 and 3. So again this is my x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and m we will find y2 3 y1 minus 3 0 आएगा, x2 minus 3 minus 7 0 by minus 10, so obviously it's 0. Okay, gradient we have find it out. Now the equation y minus y1 is 3 is equal to m. M is 0, x minus 7. So obviously this whole term will become 0. Y minus 3, this is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. This is your answer for this part. Moving towards part D, and part D is, okay, let me write down the points, that is minus 9 and minus 2, and the next point is minus 9 and 8. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So gradient will be equal to x2 8 minus and minus will become plus 2, y2 minus 9, minus and minus will become plus 9. Okay, so from here also the gradient will be 8 plus 2 is 10 divided by minus 9 plus 9 is 0. 10 by 0 is infinity. Okay, infinity basically represented 10 by 0. So we will put our m 10 by 0 because infinity आप put नहीं कर सकते. Okay, y minus y1 is minus and minus will become plus 2. This is equal to x, m is, that is 10 by 0, x minus x1, x minus and minus will become plus 9. This 0 will shift on this side, and this whole term, like 0 into y plus 2 is equal to 10x plus 10 nines are, it's 90. So obviously this side will complete 0 is equal to 10x plus 90. This will shift on the other side, it will become 10x is equal to minus 90 and x is equal to minus 9. This is your equation. Whenever the gradient is infinity, that mean आपकी जो line है, that is like this, a straight vertical line. Vertical line is always represented by x, and when gradient is 0, that mean your line will be like this, horizontal. So in this case we always write it with y. Clear? That is it for today. See you in the next morning. Till that, Allah Hafiz.